Okay, I bought this BANGSON Mini Fridge. Seems alright. This part doesn't have the plastic coating, you know, the protective coating, which leads me to believe that it was a used item sent to me, or a returned item. But when I opened the bottom door, the light cover fell out of it, and that is hanging there. There's no screw right there to go into there to screw it. The screw is missing. And the screw on the other side, I don't know if you can see that. That screw to go in that hole is covered by a reflective coating for the light. So I can't get to the screw to try to screw it in. Is this really how they send stuff? Because this is ridiculous.
Look, I have connect. This one não work. It's blank. Everything blank. Everything blank. I need my money. Okay? Trash. Trash.